Hi everyone, how's it going? So it's a little chilly outside and raining, and this is a perfect day to do another video of my alarm test videos. I did, I think two videos or 2 episodes, or maybe 3. Yes, I did 3 of them before, and you can look them up on my channel if you want. I can link them too, with my Mercedes, with the town car, and with the Ford Explorer. And wait, did I do the town car? I believe I did. Anyhow, I noticed that recently I got a lot of views on the Ford Explorer alarm system video, and I thought that'd be interesting to do another one then of the Mustang here, my Shelby GT350, and see how the alarm system works on that car. Is it any better than the other cars? For the money you pay, you might think so. Or is it just basic system, same basic system that my town car had, or that old Mercedes? Who knows? We'll try it. So I already locked the car, alarmed the system. The system is active right now, and we'll go around and see if we can trigger it. And if not, I have the window open. I'll reach inside, see if that triggers it. And if that doesn't do it, I'll climb inside and see if that helps. So let's go on the passenger side here. The car is really dirty. I really gotta wash it. See that? Well, it's not made out of sugar, so it's fine. That doesn't do anything. Try to manipulate the button here to unlock it. No, nothing. All right, let's try the driver's side. Nothing. Just push it. No. Tap against it. Nothing at all. I know there's alarms when you tap against the car, they turn on, but I don't think this is one of them, and I don't want to hit it too hard. Anyhow, okay, that didn't work, so let's reach inside. Anything here? Grabbing stuff, pushing stuff. Turn the lights on. Did you even know that when you push that back, the lights turn on for a moment? No, that didn't help. Yeah, let's just open the door and see what it does. Uh-oh, I hear something. Vehicle alarm to stop, alarm start vehicle. Shelby snake, and I think the alarm will go off now. There we go. Okay, I unlocked the car with my key right here. See, here it is with the beautiful snake on it. So I unlocked it, and that helps to turn the alarm off. All right, there you have it. This is the Shelby, and just the same basic alarm than all the other older Fords. I'm gonna roll this up, and I'm closing the door, and I'm gonna lock it up. Maybe not. Do you lock your cars up in your own garage? I don't usually do it. The Tesla locks itself up for safety, and it's fine. The others, I mean, when we leave for the vacation, I lock them up, but I normally don't lock them up in the garage. Sometimes I do though, so it depends on the day and on my mood. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, give me a like, and see you next round. Have a good day.